Welcome to the first ever episode of The Daily Digital. I'm Kate Murray. Today we're talking about how to animate a post using Canva.
In the past, it was hard to create an animated GIF because you actually had to find a plugin to convert your video file to a GIF file. Canva saves a lot of time and effort, so if you're a social media manager or a small business owner, you'll be super excited about this easy trick I'm about to show you. The best part about Canva is that they're always current on the correct size for social media images, so you don't have to worry about ugly looking stretched images in the wrong size. If you upgrade for a very small fee, around $100 for the year, you'll have access to the animation tool. From the main dashboard, choose the network you're going to create for. In this example, I'm using Facebook. Now, scroll down and choose from any of their numerous template choices, or you can upload a picture or a logo of your own. Customize it however you want. And then click the drop-down menu on the top right and choose Animation. There are various styles you can choose from. Before you click to download, make sure you select whether you want a movie file or a GIF file. If you're posting on social media, you want to choose GIF. If you're adding the animation to a video like this one, then you'll choose MP4. The upgraded version of Canva also lets you publish directly to the social media platforms or schedule your post. Stay with me for a few more seconds. If you learned something on this video, I would love it if you'd click subscribe. This is my first episode of the Daily Digital. I just started this YouTube channel because there's obviously a lot of information out there on the internet, and it's sometimes hard to differentiate between what's credible and what isn't. This happens to me every day when I'm searching for a solution. I have to weed through tons of videos and a lot of noise and junk before I find the answer. And time is money. So I've challenged myself to post something quick and valuable every day for 30 days to offer my best tips and time-saving tricks for small business owners and solo entrepreneurs. So if you have any questions at all about digital marketing, please post a comment below. And make sure you click subscribe so it stays in your channel lineup for the next time you come back to YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a great day.